State versus Christopher Cooper, 18 CR 280.
Present, Your Honor.
Okay, you're appearing via Zoom. Were you going to hire an attorney or apply for court appointed?
Your Honor, last week I acknowledged that I would like a court appointed, and I verbalized my email in order to receive some document, neither of which actually transpired. On those grounds and the nature of the case, I would like to move for dismissal of any action or claim against me based on Kansas statute 60-241.
Hang on. What, on the ground you didn't get an email?
Failure to prosecute, Kansas statute 60-241.
Right, hang on.
I emailed him twice. We watched the video to get the email address. It kept bouncing back. So
Yeah.
I sent him one in the mail, like USPS.
Yeah, so we sent it to the one you gave us. We even watched the video because this is recorded, by the way. And got it exactly right for sure, and it kept bouncing back. So the email's no good.
That's inaccurate. It's a business email.
It's the email you gave us, whatever you may have said it wrong. Because we
Could
have,
the stenographer, right?
it's recorded. Do you understand?
Right. I do understand. That's exactly what I'm saying. It's recorded.
Good.
Did you write the word dot instead of putting the period? I mean, what are we saying here?
I didn't send it myself. My assistant sent it. She's very well versed in this. So it's been sent in the mail to your address that you say you are at. So you haven't got it yet either?
No, sir. I would like the court appointed attorney, please.
You have to fill out the application and turn it in.
All right.
So you don't have it in the mail either?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. Well, I don't know what to tell you. You'll need to come in and fill it out then.
Your state is the one preventing me from getting a license to be able to do that.
Alright guys, this opener is a masterclass in setting expectations, a brisk host intro, a personal sponsor anecdote about a massive data breach, and the precise handoff into the first courtroom drama. It primes viewers emotionally and intellectually, positioning defendants as cautionary examples while the narrator balances humor and gravitas. It teases conflict and offers tidy intro or mid-roll options. It sets the rhythm, offers punchy sound bites, and establishes narrator credibility while teasing the legal fallout.
Is there?
You need to figure out how to either
Walk?
give us the right address so we can send it to you.
Apartment 110,
We sent
Ponca
that.
City, Oklahoma, 74601. Is that what your court clerk has?
That's what she sent it to, sir.
All right. Well, I'll be watching the mail. And if we're going to set this over again, I can't appear at 9 a.m. anymore.
Well, you'll just need to turn yourself in. Actually, this isn't working out. You're
Right. If 60-241 doesn't work, let's go with 60-219.
You have to file a motion, sir, and you have to appear.
It's a judicial motion. I'm moving that you file the judicial motion, sir.
Those are also civil statutes, not criminal statutes.
Well, the Supreme Court suggests otherwise, that it can be, let's see here.
We'll
The
go
judge
ahead and
may only
extend
ju-
our warrant limits, Judge. We can call this one done this morning.
There we go.
All right. That sounds like a great idea. You're going to have to be here in person. We cannot deal with you remotely. You're not cooperating. All right. This hearing is concluded.
He fails to appear, but it's our fault that he's having criminal legal repercussions of it.
In this segment, the defendant attempts procedural maneuvers blaming bounced emails and mailing errors to escape prosecution. The judge probes inconsistencies with surgical patience, demanding proper filings and rejecting vague excuses. As a third-party observer, you witness entitlement meet process. Shaky evidence of compliance is exposed. The judge clarifies civil versus criminal remedies, and courthouse momentum shifts decisively toward enforcement rather than sympathy or delay.
Arnold Polk. All right, so Mr. Polk, we've got 3 sets of tickets, so we're gonna go through this one by one. All right, so we're gonna start with your newest case, your 2024 case, and it's for no driver's license. How do you plead to those charges?
No contest.
Okay, how did you get here today?
I drove.
Okay, so why do you think, do you have a license?
They're suspended.
Okay, so what in your right mind gives you the right to get into a vehicle? When you know you can't?
I had to get to work.
I don't care what you had to do.
I understand.
There's a Via bus.
that.
There's Uber. I don't care if the world's ending. You don't have a right to drive. I do not know and understand what nobody gets about that. They just think they can do whatever they want because I have to go somewhere. Too bad. If you have to go somewhere, go to DPS. That's what you need to be going. What is the issue with your driver's license? I'm guessing these other tickets, correct?
I believe so.
Okay, is this your only set of tickets or do you have tickets at any other court?
No, these are the only tickets
These are the only tickets.
that I'm aware of.
So hand over the keys because now we got to treat you like a little kid because you can't do it on your own.
I already texted her and told her.
Well, whoever comes, they can pick up the keys at the front because you ain't getting them back.
All right.
This short but decisive clip captures the hearing's turn. Procedural quibbles give way to firm judicial action. The judge invokes enforcement options, signals potential warrants, and closes the matter with authority. For viewers, it's the payoff. Procedural theater collapses under legal scrutiny, delivering catharsis and clarity. The scene is a compact lesson in why documentation and timely action matter in court. The sequence is a compact demonstration of how procedural precision translates into outcomes and works well as a short standalone educational clip.
So I just ran your name and when's the last time you had a driver's license?
I'm not too sure.
Like
to be honest
years?
with you. I believe so.
Okay, because I just ran your name.
I mean, when I got put over, when I got put over, he said that I could get my license back. I just need to pay a surcharge or something like that, but I'm not too sure how much all that is.
Okay, have you even picked up the phone that call?
I haven't just on the 4th I got pulled over, and no, I haven't called to see how much everything is.
Okay, and see, that's what gets me, Mr. Ronald, is you have time to do all this other stuff, but you don't have time to pick up the phone and call DPS to figure out because you have to drive. That you don't pick up the phone to see where you're at to get to be able to drive legally. Because you know what the sad part is? You have absolutely nothing holding you back. Nothing. Your name is completely clear.
I mean, I got 9 kids.
Here, Judge Garcia embodies pragmatic accountability. The defendant admits driving on suspended privileges and offers hardship as justification. The judge rebukes complacency, threatens to seize keys, and insists on adult remedial steps like contacting DPS, watching as an outside commentator. You see a humane yet unyielding model, corrective sanctions aimed at preventing harm, administrative paths offered, and a sustained moral reprimand that educates the public as much as the defendant.
I mean,
Yeah.
really, I don't have too much.
You had
money
time to make kids, right?
What does that have?
Means you don't have time. You can't pick up 2 minutes to call to DPS. But your excuse is, I have 9 kids, so I should be able to
I
drive.
call DPS and it's too much for me to pay. It's not gonna get paid.
But see, you're already trying to make a problem when you don't even know what you have to pay because by your own words, you have not picked up the phone. You have no idea what your fine amount is, but you're already complaining that you can't do it when you don't even know. That's all I hear is complaints. And you don't even know why you're complaining because you don't even know the amount. Right?
Right?
Okay. So let's start taking responsibility. Pick up the phone.
I'm looking at that.
You're going to because now I'm court ordering you to.
Okay,
And now you've got 90 days to figure it out.
okay. To figure what out, how much it costs, or to get them back.
I don't know. You're gonna have to figure all that out, not me.
All right.
just like everybody else here, they call DPS and they talk, ask them what they need to do, like adults, and figure it out.
I mean, so if I just don't wanna drive no more, I don't have to get my license back, right?
No,
If I
but
don't
that's the
drive-
problem is, you're driving. You
All
drove
right,
over
but
here.
if I don't drive no more, I don't have to get my license back, right?
No,
Okay.
but that's not what I'm asking you. Now I'm court ordering, you're gonna get it.
So you're ordering me to get my license?
Yep. Because you're obviously, I don't trust you that you're not gonna drive. You drove over here.
I just had, the young lady before, she handed over her keys and none of this, all right. You don't trust me not to drive.
And for your information, you don't compare yourself to anybody else because you don't know what her situation is with the girl before you. And you're sitting in front of me with five other violations. She wasn't.
Okay,
Okay, so don't compare yourself to
Okay.
anybody.
yes, ma'am.
So your next one here is from 2015 and it's for theft.
I don't even know what that one is or from.
Okay, so how do you plead guilty? No contest or not?
Contest.
Huh?
No contest.
All right, so for your theft, I'm gonna put you on 60 days probation. You're gonna have a $50 fine plus your court costs, 60 days to pay that, and you're gonna have to take a theft class. You do all of that, I will take into consideration your failure to appear. You don't, you walk out of here with convictions for theft. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Nothing.
I didn't think so.
I didn't think it.
You want to say one more word and I'll slap some handcuffs on you because I'm not in the mood for you today. You brought yourself here and don't get mad because we're telling you the truth. And your third case, no driver's license and fail to turn signal. How do you plead to those charges?
Contest.
All right, same thing. You bring me a license, I'll dismiss that one for $22. Right, turn signal, you're gonna be put on 60 days probation, a $50 fine plus your court cost, 60 days to pay that. No driver's license, you're gonna be reset for 90 days. You take care of both of those, I will dismiss your failure to appear. You do have Omni on all of these that you are gonna have to pay. You've got 60 days to comply with all of that. Besides your driver's license, you have 90 days for that. All right? Swing around here to the right.
The finale delivers harsh clarity, fines, probation, theft education, and a real threat of custody if behavior continues. The judge compiles consequences into a corrective plan while the defendant bristles and the courtroom cools. The host closes by threading the outcomes into a practical moral about responsibility and civic obligation. It's a cautionary case study reinforcing accountability. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.